Hey guys, Steve and Jennifer here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. We've had a few requests to do a review on TandemKross. So Steve, can you tell us about the products that we have?
Absolutely. Many of you are familiar and probably have seen their products even if you've not heard of the name. And that comes in the way of Smith & Wesson with their Performance Center Victories. They're putting those out with parts from TandemKross from the manufacturer. So what we've done is they were kind enough to send us a group of parts that we are going to build up a standard Smith & Wesson Victory. And we're going to put the parts on, or actually we'll probably have Adam put the parts on. He's a little sharper than we are.
We know Steve doesn't do that.
Well, not so well. So that we don't have to use duct tape to put the parts on, we're going to have Adam put the parts on properly. But let's take a look at each of these parts and see what's in the packages so we can see what type of upgrades we're going to do today.
The rubber-like grip is made of a vibration dampening material and feels very good in the hand.
With a variety of parts in this next package, we're going to start here at the bottom with the Victory Pro magazine bumpers. Made from Zytel, these things help you get your magazine out a little quicker.
Up next we have a Halo charging ring that is made of lightweight aircraft aluminum that just allows for quicker charging of your firearm.
Next we have the Victory Trigger. Flat face for better control and feel. It's textured, offers a non-slip grip in any type of condition. It's also 100% adjustable for both pre and post travel.
Up next we have the Titan Extended Magazine Release, which has a non-slip grip and paddle design that allows for better accessibility.
Next up we have the Pro Compensator. Made from steel, this adds weight for better balance. It has a proprietary coating that makes it easy to clean. And then it vents gases up at a 45-degree angle, which allows you to have a little more control and visibility. Although it may be hard to see on video, in this next package we have a few parts. Here we have a hardened firing pin. It's going to allow for better strikes. We also have a hardened extractor, which is going to reduce your failure to ejects. And then we have some replacement springs that are basically there to take place of any lost or broken springs.
Up next we have the magazine disconnect replacement made of durable stainless steel that allows for the gun to safely function without the magazine in it.
All right, lastly, they sent us a lanyard. On the end of that lanyard, they've connected somewhat of a speed loader. Basically, it's a tool that allows you to load your magazines a little quicker. It not only works on the Smith & Wesson Victory, but it also works on other 22s as well. So now we have both a modified and a non-modified Smith & Wesson Victory sitting here. We're gonna see how they shoot A, B, M, basically side by side, and see if the modifications are actually going to help us in our effort to shoot quicker and more efficiently. So without a doubt, I like the trigger better so far. Noticeably different on the trigger. I'm going to say that although I would not have guessed that a muzzle brake would have much impact on a 22, it did seem to hold my sights on target, and I don't know if that was a function of the suppressor itself or if it was a function of just the grip in my hand with the alternate grip on there as well. Jen, we're going to get your opinion on this too, and then I'll go back and shoot again. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's heavier.
Yes.
Which I like.
All right, Jen, we've had a chance to shoot both guns. We are in different clothes. Why are we in different clothes?
Because Steve didn't want to do it day one.
Something like that. Jen could not finish the video on day one, and she doesn't work every day. By the next time she came to work, she was occupied and couldn't do it that day. She couldn't work at the following time. Then she had a cat that was sick, and then she had a non-shower day, and then she had a non-good clothes day, and then she had a bad hair day, and here we are 4 weeks later.
And then Steve doesn't pay me enough, so I have to work overtime at my other job to make money.
Can you imagine the hate comments Steve is going to get on that?
That's fine.
Jen deserves to be paid more. All right.
So, anyway.
All right, so we've shot both the standard and the enhanced version. Adam did a great job of putting the parts on. Tell me a little bit about what you liked about one versus the other.
You know, really the only thing that made a noticeable difference for me was the added weight. Other than that, I mean, everything's pretty, it's obviously different, but it's still pretty standard, in my opinion.
So I did notice in shooting, going from one to the other, not just the weight, but the grip actually helped out a lot. It also helped me, I'm gonna assume that it was the muzzle brake that was helping me keep it on target. So I was able to shoot quicker and get quicker follow-up shots. I liked the charging handle that they've placed on the back. I really like the magazine release. I also really like the trigger. Some of the internal parts that were installed, which was the magazine disconnect. We didn't really, because we weren't shooting in competition or anything like that, I don't know that it made a big difference for us, but I can see where it would be a benefit to someone out there that's...
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And that is the charging handle. I didn't use it at first because I'm not used to it. So once I kind of told myself, hey, make sure you use this feature, it did make a little bit of a difference.
Absolutely. The other thing I noticed that you liked, and I liked as well, but I know you really liked it, was the ability to load the mags easier.
Yes, I did like that thing.
Yeah. So they have this contraption, which I'm sure on the screen right now, he is probably putting that so you're not looking at us. So
Right.
the magazine loader is very convenient. I did like that. I thought that was kind of a neat item they developed.
Yep. So overall, we know Tandemcross is a win for Steve, all of their parts in the Victory 22.
I'm actually looking forward to trying out some of their parts for some of the other guns. They've also sent us some parts for a 1022 and also a Ruger, so I'm looking forward to trying them on those as well. However, I was so impressed with what they did on the Smith. I believe the way I will end up going for myself will be the Smith with their upgrades.
I'm not surprised.
Absolutely. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, certainly you can reach out and send us questions down below. We'll try our best to answer them, or just get a hold of TandemKross. Their website is right here at the bottom of the screen. You can check them out and send them questions directly as well. Thanks as always.
Thanks, guys.
Woo!
Please let that be it.
Done.
I mean, you can put some funny stuff in, but it's supposed to be a more serious video.
I really like the weight, the additional weight from the.
How long did you have to wait?
The
I'm sorry, I missed that really good joke. Say it again.
She said she really liked the wait, at which point I said, how long did you have to wait?
remember that part where we said it's not funny if you have to explain it? I mean, other than that, the grip, I didn't really notice much in the grip. I do like the.
Can we have a
mag
cast
release.
swap? Just. You
Bye.
Two, you two
Oh,
move.
stunt doubles.
You two
Stunt
come in.
doubles.
So I really like the weight of this and all the accessories.
Like these two better.
Oh yeah, so the weight and the accessories, definitely you're going to want to check out this pistol and all the upgrades that are already on it.
What?
Hold on, is that what we're supposed to say? What are we supposed to say?
What did you like on it?
I want to get this video done.
What
Okay,
did you
okay.
like on it though?
Alright,
I
alright.
have to say what you're saying. What did
Yeah.
you? Okay, and what? Okay, you have to ask
What
me
were you gonna say?
You have to ask me what I liked.
I was going to say what I liked about it.
Did you
Oh.
have to wait?
Oh, how long did I wait? Oh, I liked the weight on the gun.
Really?
How long did you have to wait?
How long did you have to wait? All right, try that again. Go. Ready?
I really liked the weight on the gun.
How long did you have to wait?
Bah.
Yeah.
That's exactly how it went. Only he
Okay,
did
so
that.
now it's your turn. Now you guys go. All right, we'll step out.
So they are our joke stunt doubles because they have better delivery than we do.
That's not hard to manage, though, is it, Steve?
Oh, ouch.
She's coming on here. Yeah, she's coming.
She likes it better when you do a video with her because it makes her look
Hey.
smaller.
I have to tell you.
It's.
I have to tell you
Yes.
something serious. We were brushing Cal.
Can you leave now?
I am leaving now.
Can you go home now? Yes, I can.
Yeah, bye.
Yes, I can. I can do that for you.
Leave.
All right, let's finish the video so we can be done.
Please. I'm gonna hurt you.
All right, what did you like about it?
I can't.
The f did you like about this f***ing gun?
Need more B-roll, Troy. We need more B-roll.
I'm Troy and I approve this message.
Thank you. Okay.